Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Java JDK 14 on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, we have to download Java JDK 14 installer file. For that, just open your favorite browser and visit oracle.com/index.html. Don't worry about the link. You will get the link in the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Java JDK 14 installer file. For that, you have to create an Oracle account. To create an Oracle account, simply click on View Accounts and here you will find Oracle account. So if you already have an account, then you can simply sign in with your Oracle account or you can create an account. Let me show you how you can create an account. For that, simply click on Create an Account and here simply fill up this information, then click on Create Account. This will create your Oracle account. So I already have an Oracle account. I will just sign in with my account. So here you can see, here I had already signed in with my account. So this is my account. Now let me show you how you can download Java JDK 14 installer file. For that, simply click on Products and here you will find Software and click on Java. And here click on Download Java. So this is the official website from where you can download Java SE development kit. Here we have Java SE 14 and 14.02 is the latest version of Java SE platform. In order to download, simply click on JDK download and here we have Java SE development kit 14 download page. And here we have some license updates, some features, and here we have the download option. So we are going to download it for Windows. So here we have Windows option. One is installer, another one is compressed archive. So I will suggest you to download this installer file. And here we have the download size, that is around 162 MB, and here we have the download link. Just click on this download link and here accept the license agreement, then click on download. Here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time to download. Let me complete the download process and after that I will show you how you can install and set up Java JDK on Windows 10. Here you can see our download has been completed. Now let us open this file. Here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser. And here you can see Welcome to Installer Wizard for Java SE Development Kit 14.0.2. Here simply click on Next. And here is the location where your Java JDK 14 is going to install. So if you want to change this location, you can change by clicking on this change option and you can browse your location where you want to install your Java SE development kit. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on Next. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see our Java SE development kit 14.0.2 64-bit successfully installed. Simply click on Close. Now just by downloading and installing Java JDK 14 on your Windows 10 computer, Java will not work. In order to work with Java, you have to set environment variable for Java. For that, just visit your installation location of Java JDK 14. In my case, it is on C drive, Programs file, Java, and here I have JDK 14.0.2 folder. Just open this folder and inside this folder you will get a folder name called bin. Just open this bin folder and copy this path. This bin folder contained an application called Java C. Here you can see, here we have the application name called Java C. Java C is a compiler which compile Java code. So we have to set these path as a environment variable for Java. Now to set this path, just open Control Panel and here click on System and Security and here go to System and on left hand side you will find option called Advanced System Settings. Just open this settings and here we have environment variable option. Just open environment variable option. Here we have two environment variable. One is our user variable and another one is our system variable. So on the system variable, click on path and click on edit. And here click on new and simply paste the path we just copied. And here click on OK. Then click on OK and here also click on OK. Let me close this window and Now to check whether Java is working or not, you can use command prompt. So here we have our command prompt application. Just right click on it and open it as administrator. So here we have our command prompt. Here simply run few commands. To check Java version, simply use java-version command, then hit enter. Here you will find Java version, that is 14.0.2, and the date of release, Java SE runtime environment build number, Java hotspot VM build number. Now to check whether Java C compiler is working or not, simply run Java C command. If you find bunch of statement, that means your Java C compiler is perfectly working. So this way you can install and set up Java JDK 14 on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.